Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to remove a friend from Snapchat. Just stay till the very end of this video so that you'll get a proper idea on how to remove any friends from your Snapchat. Before we start our video, do hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. Now without any further ado, let's go right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Snapchat app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Snapchat, you'll be on the page from where you usually take pictures. Now, there are a few different ways on how you can remove a friend from your Snapchat. In this video, I'm going to guide you all on a step-by-step tutorial on the easiest way to remove a friend from your Snapchat. Now, in order to remove your friend, on the below, you'll be able to see your chats option. Tap on it. Once you're on the chat page, here you'll be able to see all the friends that you have. From here, you'll have to tap on the person that you remove for about 5 seconds. Then you'll be on a page something like this. Here you'll be able to see various options. On the very top, right below their name, you'll be able to see view friendship option. Tap on it. Once you have tapped on the view friendship option, here you will be able to see various options once again. On the very top, you'll be able to see 3 dots. Tap on it. Once you have tapped on the 3 dots, here you can see here you'll have to tap on manage friendship, that is located on the very first option. Once you have tapped on manage friendship, here you can see block, report and remove friend written in red letters. Here you can either choose to block this person or report or remove the friend. Since we're on a tutorial on how to remove a friend, we'll be simply tapping on remove friend option. After that, here you'll be asked if you're sure whether you want to remove this friend or not. If you're sure, then tap on remove. And just like that, as you can see right below their name, here you can see option add. And just like that, we have confirmed that you have successfully removed this friend from your Snapchat. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Have a good day.